Normala nyam kana diala kontin barwani lingwasa me jo ban ling kui which South Sudan take un me shala do sharna kan winami ban raishe ka kui de keten konolat karodian ban abdene ba kon ka link ta dan len wana rodien ka jere which ka South Sudan ko de kon take mede gwa mede konaling kenyam gwasa me kan konore lerga man ban lingwasa me bel ke kirma yadit Belgia party leader tin content rewike South Sudan Belgian kiir bana roicha kana me kan kono kaleran yam ngume belke kiir ma yadi gwaseme shala do wude shalke Peter Mayen majongdit Peter Mayen majongdit jen queer party ka and wude money batur de beje nywaga yekel ko biajanen and wude me bana kula roicha gwade kona ngajen tin kon roy kon kwiden ko ngone ngume belke kirma yadit ka kirma yadit kwar medin me che no kono dong de jabel ngubel ken ge jamo bana jalin ka jalera mana and wait a little bit yes okay would we kona me Jen Shale Peter Mayen Majongdit Ramkel Mela leading member of the other political parties parliamentary OPP she can Minister of Cabinet Affairs President Salva Kiir Mayardit can President Dr. Machar ko shike peace kana yar so shagardangro shaka gwanyano shike peace kana yar kodi sha korda me charge talk re which ka South Sudan ka charge longa makapte chong gwan mi sha Dr. Machar charge yentene Kiir Mayardit kala jenwo ta dan cha Dr. Machar charge gwan keje no Dr. Machar jaramandan en yermal ko sha korto ke Jason Bor jen milar jenwo bele Dr. Machar ka bele Kiir Mayardit ko jen sha kormo sheje jakamdit chana chekanak jagare ali lo nagana che jomo che jalat nyogwade me Minister Martini Lumoro agenda leader of the National Agenda Group part of incumbent transitional government of national unity Jen Poinde shawara lat pins President Salva Kiir Mayardit la queer spelling party leader man la Salva Kiir Mayardit ka kui mal ka mede tanya lo shakan changa mal dana der la na Jen Poinde Martini Lumoro chachag waitin ngai kon Martin anuanga gwaze dane roje jarame dane laro take nuar ti jaka nuar to go jarame dane sha tukde chaja much ke riet no jin walarne me no nuari take can't ti jaka can't is net to go ka jomu cha kwen gwase me the umbrella group ala shirke wudnen yana magwada me and the National Alliance of Political Parties under the OPP party signatory to the September 2018 peace agreement. Mayen lead the umbrella group while Deputy Speaker Cornelio Con lead the National Alliance. Anayeti ke garame ramkel kabonten kontin te shimal chi tanyane latimane peace initiative. No kajom chokulat gwase me jeni mal chaje yar. Jeni mal chaje yar kujamo jene gor jeno de mal de nyokoluiten ka jom chalat gome Mayen a former humanitarian affairs minister lashed out at Lumoro claiming he has continued to create problem between Kiir and Machar jene she Machar she wude me mishal ke Lumoro cheje kwet derno jaramandan nonkor kam Dr. Machar kene Kiir ko Kennedy tie Kennedy konte tain kamal karon kin dangre wel badak enta Ramadan yermala mo wude shalke me Lumoro so che Lumoro che ko dwer e jene Ramadan kuri kuka create between Kiir and Machar ka Kennedy dangro ti Kennedy konte tain kamal jene shelar ne he also claimed Lumoro has instigated what he called hatred between communities janalat kone jen che gag che chak kam bone dangro kam nuari kane jang and would shall came Lumoro many times no koran yam Lumoro wa take tetten she would shall came my yen shall no Lumoro a jelari gone ke chawda lodu mandana chalat God me men chalat chewene he or Lumoro continue to cause problem and hinder the implementation of the peace agreement and also create a problem between the president and the first vice president shirka jawo shalin gwasame la Lumoro wa jaramadana ku kwadang raw Kiir Mayardit kana Dr. Machar so ko kujamo Lumoro sharong ko derte ngwas mo ko jodana chalat enono ajenene we at OPP perceive him or Lumoro as a peace spoiler was intermingled in so many other parties affair ajene Lumoro wala yamade rei ngwane tishigo kudana were previously taken swa in today's interfering so much in SPLMI affair chen wako gwade dan che swa che dagan tamale SPLMI o lele jele nyoko madaga je kache dag bane mayan chawa jamo che jela no na ajani is group reject President Kiir resign appointment of Lumoro as the Secretary General of the high level kani shikana logo no cha Lumoro cha nyo mko ingaja la kwar na la Secretary General kani kana lok ko tin kon la da jana daga na wuda me jana na gwasa me we rejected his appointment because Martinelli has previously been a secretary to the National Pre-Transitional Committee no wala wajan che kona kwar ka secretary National Pre-Transitional Committee jan all these past years he has completely failed to implement anything jana tele me chalat gwada da na sha kame no kwatan changa dor me chalatin chana jo me chalat gwasa me shala do na jana Lumoro jara Ramadan and Tekarek ya pointed out that Lumoro ensures 7 of the Peace Implementation Committee, 31 members are from his national agenda. Kajo chalat gwas me janere jandang jogu de kel kane to kwanjan wude shwal kame Lumoro. Dr. Lumoro ngai kondiale jara medane joko no te ke nuore jeka nuore go. No jen chakulat gwas me amayana no wude me ramadang na. Nyok jo kamendana cha gwany cha ja gwanyen wone ne. Jen ne ko ne cha kwany be kaje. Che jiku me SPLA yo cha gagrar ko jantege kene kirma yadit ka kujamo Dr. Lumoro we jek shira magwa ko daratere malka kire matkana jen wa jen kwanye de jandang jogude kelo ka jen shoga sholo no in national agenda group ajara madana kwanye de to ko jantege kene kirma yadit so jara madana jermal ka jowdana shalat gwasa me mayan ka jow me shalat gwasa me la kume me raika me mayan kenena kenen peace agreement kemen shata kam Dr. Machar Ramadana yere kirma yadit kete Dr. Lumoro take teten ajanena we believe all those of us who signed the agreement are accountable ajane kon dial konite konte chimal cheta inte kon ko de konti ko mite mi choda lat ko kon dial ko konde jallo jana mite mi choda lat ka konde mandana le ro de tin de kon dial kala kon we are the one to be answerable if the transition end with no election ajane me transitional me kan queen kware ken jalat ko kon ba ti je bongo ngo kan queen kware kan lat ke jemo ko kon nong malo ne ka ko kon tanyamo and the country loses legitimacy one which bo batako janicha chang shop che je wa be jealous banaki ba guje no she which me la wujala talk ajana we are the one to answer what happened to South Sudanese ka kon dumandana to gwad me ka kon bi lo jane me sha konti shagula do nene and Martin is not written anywhere in the peace agreement Jana Martin pointed Dr. Lumoro Martin ajana sure de chetere malcolm edane shalel cheteke peace agreement e chatan ka kujamo jen kujamo dan le road no he has to know that the OPP is back on its feet and he will uphold the agreement to counter any argument any individual may raise is said ajana entamo koneten content ka bono shalke OPP ko kone tichiro de realeka aramete ke tich be yigban kanne ka bne mandana lade bneling inono shela do ne chaweto betin diala content chalat a former minister Bekala Rara George leher dialte konde chalat angwadamo jen wa former NPTC member Jara do betin jewde ala kona chala de Lumoro Bekala Rar ko ba kalin ko jara madan lugo bi malbeben ja jome cha jalat ka jome jandan ku kon gorno linkone agwaza menyo chala de nena separately ayen unveiled the Juba initiative of the parties called by the OPP for dialogue among signatories. He said his group would spare a dialogue to find solution. So we do respect any grievances each and every party may have, including us. We will table our grievances and dialogue on what needs to be done on the implementation of the agreement until election is said. So man go to Guadame, a general united dialte conte chatine, ko bakala let. No karach ki go do dan balat ke jamo jene ko kone ti churialika chana jo chalat gwazme chan je milling be ko ken melat kana gwadame jene nene ala Lumoro janishi rami momi teka luang ka jom cha kwen gwaz me kan ngar chala do nene ala Dr. Lumoro cha gor no de jitis kamana le road ka dobe cha je challenge ke jema ke cha je la jor ke je mayen attempt to cabinet affairs Minister Lumoro were unsuccessful. He called on the region and international community and de na de kalwak ko de queen kwar de jalat ko te che wati dial shika fail shika boy no ko shi chetekane tichodian lat ka kirma yadi de lo lat ka no mal charge balat no ko kene diala kon de part ni ken kula lat ka mal wa shaga gagrar akir no ko ne de kon la region and international community shola ken go de rega mem to ka queen kware de ja address ke de jaling. It remain unclear when the initiative will be launched and how many political parties have endorsed it. Awangu da kanane ngajenu ene baje tugone. No kaka bondang de noko mono de neme de jalat. Awajo me tuoga kashankara o ka jok. Waj tuoga ba nika kor penete paiwe. Kiir kɛnɛ machar ni ko gwade dan shi ang chabeka ka gwade sha Dr. machar cha yenten ramalan mishire me awa Dr. Lumoro name mishalat anyok wuri shalka mayana ka jawran te kwena no janne mandana jero bi mal be ki bi mal betel awa Dr. Lumoro ko en malame de je yiktan kam kem yadi kene Dr. machar ko de kore dan chitu ko ron kine dangre wel badak ron kine dangre wel jok deja kapchong gwade chinere shop ko kudang wan chika liuten baratama chala yene Dr. machar ka chanyen dang red bakal ka pay diokre wike juba ajana na mo she chong na me woy keneja ki lokono bi malba ben katele queen kware me balat che jomo che jalat enono chela do nene ajane jogo jine rekonted la ji Africa Union and Africa Union Peace and Security Council ano Dr. machar aloin kaje unconditionally baje yig release ka jawrana chalat she ne to che ga jogono Dr. machar aloinke a chitre tijen ko yin ka jabang agent dial ti talat ka ti Dr. Lumoro te kare gone Dr. Lumoro kon wedi am ngai kon Dr. Lumoro nga jara medan laro te kan wedi jek te ka 9 counties tela hostile ke 7 counties tela friendly jome chalan mugoro de konaling kwana waka dar do dienda ande kona ngaj gwadam gwadam e chala do shawune dangwan cha kayen ko shikan udo dien chikan nak no kuda mo awa wun mi jekan o shamaring karing en sham wa ring de almo kwalle chayo captain ngwadamo no kan gwadamo shwayo dwech ka shwayo nak no ko shering dal chaja cham chawuda mo chaja naka ken rewika so Sudan ka toga re wich ke Equatoria chire ngai kono no la michiran michadel chaja kwal ka kanedi ti no la ken ring lakan de lakan anguk bikene shamande la mo no kacha del mo chaji bi je ko ta mi che togo no shiga dorje bikene naka pet baje jang ka sham gaje so go ya yu jegan dang raw kane tone no mi chaye jegan lo wa kap ke lo de ka duech churam kel choro barakara mo dodiene chido to shayu naka ken na me toka ke Eastern Equatoria ka kapoita ajen jodana gore de larie churi mat tiede det kun biate mal bye bye.